Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com bringing you a new introduction to our color lineup for SUPERcore. It is the SPC018 Appalachian. That's right, the X indicates a 30 mil wear layer. Commercial grade, lifetime warranty. It does have a beveled edge on this particular design and it looks fantastic. It's overall a golden tone with some brown and some touches of a light powder blue. Really sets off this design. For the lighting I'm working with today, it is overcast, so I do not have the glare of the bright sun. So I'm just working with the natural light and some incandescent overhead lights. It looks pretty true in the video screen here. Now again, we do free samples on our SUPERcore, so please just email us your request. You can do it right through the website. You could also email sales@WeShipFloors.com. And this is a whole box wrapped out. I'm going to zoom in here to get some more detail. One of the really cool parts of this is this detail here. Also, this grain detail here. See how the light's reflecting on it, showing you that embossed slip resistant surface. Fantastic knot details. Here's a close-up taking a look at the beveled edging. So yeah, comment below. Let us know what you think about this one. We always look forward to getting feedback from our customers. So go ahead and check it out at WeShipFloors.com, exclusive sellers of SUPERcore SPC018 Appalachian. Thanks guys. Bye for now.